Welcome everybody to the live video. Today I'm gonna be giving a live tax refund update. I just shared one on my YouTube channel, on Dr. Linda Likely YouTube channel, and I want to make sure I give a live update on here as well, you guys, to what is going on, because I've been getting a lot of questions regarding refunds. So I want to definitely go over information, you guys, regarding that. Now, what I'm gonna do right now is definitely share this information out on my page, and I recommend you do too. Okay. All right, let me turn this down and make sure I don't have no interruptions. Okay, after tax season, you guys, you know a lot of things slow down. I tell people a lot of things slow down after tax season. I had a lot of questions a few minutes ago regarding tax season. Now, we know that you can verify identity online or on the phone, okay, when they tell you to verify identity. But if you can't verify identity on the phone or online, you have to go to a taxpayer center, okay, to help you in person. Now you can go to IRS.gov. I usually screen share on here, but I can't because I'm on my cell phone, you guys, today. So you go to IRS.gov, put in your search taxpayer assistance center, and make sure you put in the address, zip code, and all that good stuff, you guys, to find one that's closest to you that can assist you with your tax refund. Now, Alabama, you guys, because of the disaster areas, have until May the 1st. I think Florida does too. I'm not sure. So make sure you go to irs.gov to make sure that you, if you haven't filed, that you see if you're in a disaster area so you can get your return in, because you will have to pay penalties for late filing and payment penalties. So make sure you get it in. Now, for those of you, people have asked me, how much is the interest, you guys, on if they have to pay you. Okay, an example. Okay, if let's say your refund is $1,000, okay, multiply that the certain amount of what they're trying to find you guys with, that is point the 7% annual interest, you probably would see like $11.51 adding on to that $1,000 return. Okay, so that is if you owe interest, you guys. Okay, after tax season, they go from the last date of tax season 45 days, you guys, that you will get that as well, your interest on the tax refund. Because a lot of people ask me, I'm gonna get interest on it. I've been waiting a long time. 45 days later, you guys, they do that 7% interest, and hopefully that you will get it added. Now, this here, know that when you get that interest, is over $10, they will send you a 1099 INT with the 1099 interest that they did give you. And also, you guys, that is taxable income. That interest that they give you on your refund for late delays is taxable income. So you have to file that on your next tax return. So yeah, somebody was like, wow, and laughing about it on my live video. But it happens, you guys, okay? So I just try to explain everything to you. Now, if you receive a CPO5 letter, CPO5, that means you don't have to do anything, okay? The IRS will adjust it on their end. However, if you get another notice or letter, you guys, that it tells you you need to do this or send in this information, you need to send in it the information. I would definitely, if I fax it, keep all the information that I fax. Also, if I send it certified mail, and I like to go certified mail, but you can go whatever that's best for you. Just use a tracking number so that you know that a tax agent or somebody received it, you guys, and keep copies, okay, of everything you send to the IRS. Okay, but make sure you do all this before the deadline. Okay, if you have not. Now, a lot of you saying that your as of date has changed. Okay, what happens is a lot of people think as of is your due date. It could be your due date, but it has to be an 846 code on your transcript to show that it is a refund being issued. Okay, if you have as of a date, that means it have to finish processing by that date. It could be before or by that date. Okay, that was the as of date. So if it doesn't finish processing by that date, they will put you another date on there for that tax return to finish processing. Okay, If you verify identity, for those of you who are writing on your tax return and you verified identity, it takes up to 9 weeks. It takes up to 9 weeks. Can you get your refund before 9 weeks? Yes, if you verified identity. It can take 2 to 3 weeks later after you verify identity. They tell you you can go and check to see that did they give you an update on your transcript. If it's not, it's up to 9 weeks. That is on the IRS site. Okay, some people are getting notices. If you see a code on your transcript, 570 810, 810 is a freeze code, 570 is a hold code. 971 on your transcript means the IRS has issued you a notice out to you. And a lot of people don't know that. Okay, you have to wait on that notice or that letter to see what is going on with your tax return. If it's after tax return, if it's after tax season, excuse me, if it's after tax season right now and you hadn't got your refund and you filed in January or February and March, you guys, most time it's mistakes. It's something going on with your return. It's missing information, mistakes, and then sometimes you get a paper check is suspicious activity by banks. Now I discussed this on the last video on my channel. A lot of people don't believe it, but if you put in the wrong accounting number, that's how you get the paper checks. Sometimes if you have a taxpayer, she puts in or he puts in paper check, and that's how you get paper checks as well. But if it's suspicious activity, it rejected by banks, you will get a paper check and it will be sent back to the IRS to be issued out back out to you in that form. Okay, so I always try to explain all this information to you. Amended returns. Amended returns, you guys, a lot of people say, would it be amended returns, you guys, it can take several weeks, up to 16 weeks to 20 weeks, okay, for the finished process. Some people be longer. It just all depends, okay? So I tell people when you file those tax returns, make sure you have accurate information so you won't have to amend returns, because sometimes it'd be a long process. When I say long, some people are still waiting on their amended returns from last year. Some people are still waiting on their tax refunds from last year. So that's why I tell you all this stuff to help you. Okay. Also, for those who needed help and maybe need to contact me, you can. They always try to do it in my inbox. You have to schedule an appointment with me. I'll be busy, you guys. And then when you schedule a book appointment, I will call you back. Now, if you just contact me and just put something on the live port, I'm not going to contact you. It has to be booking. So make sure you book. Okay. The live free discovery call is free for 10 minutes, but you cannot have a tax preparer. It has to be you to file that tax return. Also, for those of you who need more information specifically that I can't answer on that free discovery call, you have to book here and go for the fee as well. Now, if you have a large tax debt, you guys, $2, $3, $4, $5,000. I have a team of tax specialists ready to assist you and ready to help you. Okay, I have a team, but it requires 2 appointments. The first appointment, I have to be with me to see where you're at, to see can I refer you to the tax specialist. Then the second appointment will be with that tax specialist. Okay, so I also try to tell you guys this as well. Don't forget, you guys, on May the 1st, you guys, I will be giving away a $50 gift card on my YouTube channel, Dr. Linda Likely YouTube channel, you guys. So you got to be present to be able to get in that drawing. And it costs you nothing to enter it, but you do have to make sure that you have a United States address so I can mail that out to you and follow all the rules and guidelines to be eligible for that prize as well. Now, if you have a tax offset, here is the tax offset number. 1-800-304-3107 is the tax offset number as well for those of you who need help. Also to contact the IRS, 1-800-829-1040 to contact the IRS. A lot of you know that number already. And the taxpayer advocate, I usually have that one. Here it is, the taxpayer advocate also as well. You guys, to contact them. But you can reach out to your state congressman as well to speak regarding your tax refund, you guys, to the IRS. But you have to make sure you fill out an online form and give them all the information that they're requesting so they can speak to the IRS on your behalf. Everybody's state congressman is different if you live in a different state. Okay? Now, if you live in the same state, it's the same, but if you live in a different state, it is different. Okay? So you can go to house.gov or census.gov and complete that federal agency, help with federal agency. When you see that little drop down box list, what you need help with federal agency. Complete that form. Make sure you don't put in, certain information. Just put in what you need help with, and then they'll reach back out to you. Okay? And pay attention to your phone and your email that you put in that box. You guys, a lot of people don't do that. Check your email, check your spam folders. Make sure you pay attention to a different number that you're not used to. That the congressman office will reach out to you regarding your refund. Okay. Hopefully, you guys, you will get it soon. If you have any questions and comments, make sure you drop them down, and I'll get you as soon as I can. Y'all have a great day and be blessed.